So right now, let me show you how we can add apps to the dock at the bottom of your Mac screen. So let me show you how it works. First of all, I would go to the settings like that and scroll to the bottom and find the desktop and a dock section, because there is a interesting set of toggles in here, and you can essentially change some things about it, but you can decide whether you show indicators for open apps. That's very important, because if you close this or disable it, you can see a bunch of apps are gonna have no longer the dots below them. So that's one thing. And you can also disable the showing suggested and recent apps. So when I disable it like this, it also doesn't show the apps on the right side. You can see they are separated like this, and you can essentially see the recent apps on the right and those which are permanently added. So these are just a few settings which you can change at first to get the most out of it. However, to just add apps in here, make sure you open the apps like this, so you get to the all apps mode, and you might be browsing all of the apps in here similar to the app library on your iPhone. And for example, I'm gonna find the Final Cut, right? I'm gonna grab it like this and essentially move it over to the dock like this and make sure it has enough space in here. So let me just put it like this, and then now it is fully added to the control center. It's always going to be there, and it doesn't matter if it's open or recently used, because I don't need it to be in this right section as I showed you at the beginning. It is in this left section, which is for permanent apps on the dock, right? And I can always right click on it and click on options and remove it from the dock, right? And I still have the ability to make it disappear, and that applies to all of the apps. You can go to the apps like this and again go to, I don't know, phone, right? And do the same thing, just move it wherever you want it to. So that's essentially it. Let me know if you managed to make it work as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.